Elon Musk has said that the factory is the product, and the Tesla factory is the machine that builds the machine, arguably Tesla's core strength. Recently, Tesla released an incredible drone fly-through tour of their new Gigafactory in Berlin that was packed with Easter eggs and details you probably missed. We'll go through the top 10 Easter eggs featuring some of the machines that make the machine, including a few you can invest in. Number 10. When the drone first enters the factory, we see our first machine, Eckhart, which produces an alternative cleaning system that dry cleans sheet metals and blanks in preparation for pressing, which we'll see next. The dry cleaning method uses brushes which are more economical and lower maintenance than using traditional cleaning machines which use a wet process, like wash emulsions. Eckhart is a German company and is not publicly traded. Number 9. Next, we see a press machine from Schuler which provides presses to cut and stamp the cleaned sheet metal. Schuler is used by other auto manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz and Ford. Though Schuler is not a publicly traded company, it is a subsidiary of the Andritz Group, which can be invested through an ADR under the ticker symbol ADRZY. Number 8. In the press line, we also see a small feature for the German company Berg Spantechnik, which provides custom clamping systems to clamp Tesla's molds or dies to the Schuler press. Berg is not publicly traded. Number 7. Next, we see someone working a giant pizza oven to feed all the work. Just kidding. Though this is a furnace, it's a furnace by Danish company Stotec, used for melting aluminum, not baking pizzas. Its superior insulation allows manufacturers to melt aluminum with lower energy costs. Stotec supplies furnaces to other auto manufacturers like Volkswagen, Audi, and Chrysler. The company, though, is not publicly listed. The melted aluminum from the Stotec goes to our next headline machine. Number 6. It happens very quickly, but if you look at the gate that just opened, you can see that the next machine we hit is the much acclaimed die-casting Giga press from the Italian company IDRA Group. Inspired by a die-cast toy car on his desk, Elon Musk wondered if many machines and parts used in the production of a real car could be eliminated by using a single die cast. Creating a car this way had never been done before, and when Tesla called the 6 major casting manufacturers in the world, 5 said no and 1 said maybe. That one company was IDRA Group, who created the first ever gigapress for Tesla. The die-cast machine takes in a melted aluminum alloy, puts it into a mold, and presses it together to produce the finished die-cast product. This allows Tesla to build the car chassis using only 3 main pieces instead of hundreds of pieces and many different robots. IDRA is primarily owned by LK Machinery, a subsidiary of LK Technology Holdings, which trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Number 5. Shortly after and throughout the video, you see FANUC robots which help with many parts of the auto manufacturing process, including moving, scanning, organizing, welding, assembling, and more. FANUC robots can cost anywhere from $25,000 to over $400,000 and typically need to be ordered 18 months in advance. FANUC is the largest maker of industrial robots in the world, and its robots are used by companies across various industries. FANUC can be invested in through the FANUC ADR under the ticker symbol FANUY. However, FANUC robots are not the only ones in Tesla's factory. We'll later show another set of robots that make up what Elon calls the alien dreadnought. Number 4. But before we get to the other robots, on one of the FANUC robots you see what appears to be a picture of a Thanos-like character, but actually it is a picture of Godzilla. Why Godzilla? Many of the machines in Tesla's factories actually have nicknames based off X-Men characters, like Wolverine, Beast, and Iceman. But Godzilla is a nickname that's common in the industry for this particular FANUC robot. This one is the famed M2000, the world's strongest 6-axis robot with a payload of 2.3 tons. It's capable of picking up whole cars, and so many auto manufacturers use the M2000. Across factories from Tesla, Ford, Honda, Toyota, and GM, factory workers all affectionately call the M2000 Godzilla. Number 3. If you look closely in one of the monitors of this brightly lit corridor, you'll see spots marked on this Tesla. This system comes from Altis, which is an automation, engineering, and integration company based in Spain. Altis specializes in complex machine vision inspection to detect things like defects in paint, machine cast parts, and weldings to ensure the quality of Tesla cars. Number 2. This cool hallway of lights is not just for looks. It's one of the final steps of QAing Tesla's cars and is powered by ions. It is a system used to check the gap or flushness of various parts of a car, which is important to ensure a car's aerodynamic performance, fuel efficiency, wind noise concerns, and more. IDRA's system is the first flush and gap inspection system able to scan on a moving line, resulting in higher control, productivity, and efficiency. IDRA was acquired by KUKA in 2019 and can be invested in through their ADR under the ticker symbol KNCAF. Number 1. Last but not least is the set of robots needed to complete what Elon calls the alien dreadnought. These are the German KUKA robots. KUKA is often thought as one of the most innovative robotic companies and is credited with inventing the first collaborative robot, a robot that can operate around humans without needing safety fencing. For auto manufacturers, KUKA robots are usually used to assemble vehicle components such as engines, axles, brakes, and steering systems. Their long reach enables access to parts at difficult angles, while their precise and controlled movements provide the ability to join the most intricate of parts. KUKA robots can cost $500,000, and the company can be invested in over the counter under their ticker symbol KUKA. A bonus Easter egg is at the end of this video, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more breakdowns on tech innovations, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bonus: at the very end of the video, the drone flies in between two workers who give each other a double high five. Once at the top and once at the bottom. A nice way to end it. Let us know in the comments if there were any other Easter eggs we missed.